Hello and welcome to the Engineering Student Success Center. My name is Jesus Santos. I am one of the ESSC academic advisors here working with you for the College of Engineering. Typically, we advise students in electrical engineering from their first year to their senior year. The ISC, Industrial Systems Engineering. So if you're electrical engineering and industrial systems engineering, we advise you from your first year up until you graduate. For other majors such as mechanical engineering and biomedical engineering, we do your advising up until you have 60 units, which is typically about the sophomore level. After that, you would have a different major advisor. So at the Engineering Student Success Center, we have different major advisors and ESSC advisors. Overall, the ESSC advisors, which is us, we will be working with you when it comes to general education advising. If you are ever on probation or subject to disqualification, you can reach out to us so that we can help you bounce back and get on track. Time management, resources at around SJSU, and things that are important to you, such as like career services, study abroad, some things that may be relevant to you and may be important, maybe like the Wellness Center and what resources are there. The AEC, which is the Accessibility Education Center. So you're able to get special accommodations when needed, Spartan Food Pantry, and etc. So for those, you can talk to us more one-on-one with your major. Each department has their own major advisor, which even if we do your major advising for electrical engineering or industrial systems engineering, you will still have a department chair that you can connect with and a group of faculty members that you can also go to for research opportunities or just internship opportunities that are offered within your own department. So that's a little bit of an overall quick synopsis on what the Engineering Student Success Center is, but we also do a lot of events and programs in order to help you acclimate to the college level. So some of those events may be along the lines of time management, which I already discussed a little bit earlier in terms of how should you study for your STEM courses and how many hours should you allocate for that? What does a time management grid look like? How can I study for the week, plan for the semester, or plan daily, and what learning style is better for me? So, we do go over some of those programs and presentations. Some of the key dates that we also have for you on events and programs, aside from time management on February 8th and February 23rd from 1 to 2 p.m. We also have a LinkedIn 101. So we focus a lot of our programs on career and how to help you get internships or how to best prepare you so that way you can learn outside of the classroom as well as inside of the classroom. So programs like your LinkedIn 101, Resumania. So we have two different Resumania, one with Career Center and one with actual employers. So that way they can help you on their resumes on how they were able to get into their entry-level job or their job that they currently have. Some other programs may be mock interviews, career versus school, and life after SJSU. So we also do academic program. That one combines both career or choosing graduate school and what are your options. So other career programs academic programs are how to get a scholarship, which we have typically around March, since that's when the applications are coming up. Or they're due, actually, typically they're due around April. Other key dates and things that you should be aware of during the first couple of weeks of school is that you do have to register for classes, and you have a period that you can register for wait list and see if you get it, which is by February 3rd. So after that point, on February 4th, on Friday, February 4th, you're going to need permission to add the classes with add codes. And the last day to add classes is going to be Monday, February 14th. Monday, February 14th is a very busy day because that is also the first day that you come back to in-person classes for spring 2022. That day you also is your last day to submit drops from the instructor. So you would need to get that sign from the instructor in order to get you dropped from the class. But you can do a late drop petition starting on February 8th. So if you need your instructor to help you drop a class, February 14th is the last day for you to do so. And the last day, if you don't want the drop to show as a W, as a withdrawal from the class on your transcript, that is February 7th. So those are some of the more important academic dates in terms of what you need to worry about when it comes to spring 2022 semester. Some of the other things that make our center really special is that we have graduate advisors in case you're interested and you're at the junior level, senior level of like what is life after SJSU like. You can get one-on-one advising. We do CPT and OPT workshops for students that are international students and how they can find internship opportunities, as well as some of our specific more one-on-one where you can see us would be during drop-in. So we offer drop-in Monday through Friday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then 1 to 2 p.m. 12 to 1 p.m. is our lunchtime. We are open Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. So anything that you have to ask us, you can email the success-engineering@sjsu.edu for any questions that you may have. They may redirect you to the correct department or to one of us. But yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to see me during your spring 2022 semester and beyond. I'd love to share opportunities with you in terms of helping you how to get to the next step. And maybe if you just want to talk as well, sometimes dealing with college and everything can be hard to navigate on your own. So if you do have any questions, concerns, or just want a listening ear, who may understand a little bit more of struggles that you've been through, please feel free to contact me. Again, my name is Jesus Santos. My email is Jesus, JESUS, .Santos, SANTOS, @sjsu.edu. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful semester.